Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable device calendar on Webex. So to start, we need to open Webex app first. Then we need to click on our profile at the top left. Next, once you click that, you need to go to settings. So here you need to scroll down and click on calendar. Now here you have two options. You have Webex and device calendar. So click on device calendar and you need to toggle it on just like so. So if it turns blue, that means it's turned on. If it turns gray, that means it's turned off. So just toggle it on to enable it. So here you can choose from iCloud, others, or subscribe calendars. So you can check all of this if you want. Now let's go back. Here, you can also click on Webex and you can also enable Webex calendar. So, if you enable this, your Webex meeting calendar shows meetings and webinars from your Webex account. So, if you toggle it on, it will show all the meetings from this calendar source in the meeting list.